Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this quick video, we will be talking with you about live wallpaper. And believe me guys, this process is super easy. It won't take a lot of your time. And let me just quickly show you how quickly you can change your live wallpaper. And it's not only the live wallpaper, but it is interactive as well. As you can see here, as I am moving my mouse, the wallpaper also changing its direction or creating kind of effect. For example, here you can see this wallpaper looks like we are dissolving color in water. So here we can see how good it looks. So based on your preference, you can easily change your wallpaper. So you just need to install this application, which I'm going to show how you can. You need to make a click and click on change wallpaper, and it is that easy guys to change your live wallpaper. So let me apply one more, and let's change this one as well because this one actually came before. And here we go guys. So we can see there are a ton of wallpaper, so we can even open it up, and from here this library we can choose another one as well. So we can choose and set different wallpaper. So let me quickly show you how you can download this live wallpaper application with few clicks. So for that, what we're going to do is just press Windows button and now type store. Now here you need to search for this lively wallpaper. So just search here lively wallpaper. And believe me guys, this rating itself justify, or this application speak for himself by this amazing rating of 4.6 out of 5, which is really difficult to have in Microsoft Windows Store. So just you need to do is you need to install this application, and then you can simply open it up and you can use it. So I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If you find any challenge or any difficulty, then do let me know in comment down below, and for sure I will try to reply you as soon as possible. Till then, take care and bye bye.